Hi, welcome to the next series on basics of pharma selling. This particular session is about giving you some tips and techniques of building in effectiveness while you go and sell to a customer, that is to a doctor. Basically, it is seen that a good doctor is visited by close to 40 to 50 reps in a day. And our ability to be able to go and differentiate in front of this doctor is something that is very critical. When so many medical reps go and call on a doctor, most of the reps are too desperate to go and sell, and they do what is known as planned persuasion, and their ability to differentiate into a sales call or to be able to stand out becomes very difficult. So while we do sales training, there are three dimensions in which one can focus on in order to improve your effectiveness as far as your in-clinic effectiveness is concerned, as far as your selling is concerned. And these three elements of a call that we would teach any sales rep that would join a pharma company, the three dimensions where we need to focus on, these are: one, that you need to do certain things in the pre-call that enhances your effectiveness. The second aspect is there are certain things that you do inside the call that enhance your effectiveness, and eventually there are certain principles and rules that you follow in post-call that will help you be more effective in your subsequent calls. This particular series is not going to focus on the pre-call aspect or the post-call aspect. This is going to focus on one basic learning that we need to be able to customize, we need to be able to differentiate, and that is inside the call. So a call, when you go on to make a sales call, there are three dimensions to this call. Most of the people, most of the sales reps, when they go inside a chamber of a doctor, what they do is they land up immediately selling. The doctor, please prescribe, is probably the first sentence that they'll use in front of a doctor. So they come across as desperate salesmen. And while we were doing these developmental programs for medical reps in pharma companies, we realized one thing. We looked at a call situation and we said that we will give you a call situation and you should do role plays. And while looking at these call situations, we realized that there are three situations that generally a medical rep faces when he goes to a doctor. The first one being a brand conversion situation, second one being a molecule conversion situation, and the third one being a prescription enhancing situation. Let me quickly brief you what each of the three things mean. The first situation, when we say it's a brand conversion situation, doctor is already writing that particular molecule. You need to convert him from brand A to brand B. For example, he is writing amoxicillin and he is writing a particular brand, and you need to convert him to your company brand. And India being a branded generic market, this situation is very common, because a popular molecule would have something like 500 to 600 competitors into the market. So brand conversion situations are very common. The second situation is a doctor is not using a particular molecule. He prefers a particular molecule. You are launching a new molecule and you need to make a conversion. For example, that the doctor is using amoxicillin and you want to move him to cephalosporins, or you want to quinolones. This is a kind of a situation in which you are trying to basically convert him from one particular molecule to another molecule. The third situation is the doctor uses your brand. He is prescribed your brand, but he also continues to prescribe several other brands and molecules in the market. This is the third situation where your objective of the call becomes to go and enhance prescriptions. We would do a lot of role plays and try and understand how a medical rep sells into these three situations. And like we said, that every call has got three dimensions. There's something called as the opening, the body of the call, and closing of the call. And if you give them these three situations and you try and measure how much time does he spend on each of this opening, body, and close for each of the situation, and we would find out that no matter what is the call situation, whether you're doing a brand conversion, whether you're doing a molecule conversion, or you're trying to enhance prescription, the call architecture in terms of how much time you spend on the opening, body, and the close remains the same. And most of them spend less than 5% of the time of the call in the opening of the call. 90% of the time they would do a canned detailing or planned persuasion, and in the closing of the call they would go and say thank you very much and looking forward for your prescriptions. So this standard 5% of the time spent on opening and close, and 90% of the time spent on the body of the call is the call architecture. Somewhere here we try and say that this is something that you need to change. This needs to change. When you are doing a brand conversion call, the focus needs to change. So when you got these three call situations and you enter inside, the amount of time that you're spending on opening, body and close needs to change. When you're doing a brand conversion call, the amount of time that you need to spend on the opening needs to be considerably higher. And I'll tell you why. When you're doing a molecule conversion call, there's more time that needs to be spent on the body of the call. And when you're trying to enhance prescriptions, you need to spend adequate amount of time on closing the call. So in this series, on each of the subsequent parts, I'm going to discuss what are we going to do when we face a situation like a brand conversion situation, and then the molecule conversion situation, and then the prescription enhancing situation. But overall, if you want to enhance the in-clinic effectiveness, we need to be able to customize our time spent on opening, body and close. So keep watching my videos and we will cover each of the call situations, the most appropriate way of customizing your call situation. Thank you very much.